welcome to another video. Let's try to do some type data dynamically to a file. Okay. At first we will consider that the file exists, and then we can use try except for that. Let's start. File handle of file equal to open file. Let's set it on file Basics.txt, or let's just simply say file.txt, but sorry, file.txt already exists. Let's say Basics.txt. Now we need, as it is a simple file, we need to open it in W. It can be W plus. W means write, and if you would have used R mode, that is a read mode, it would have showed an error. Okay, so let's go with the W mode, means the write mode. W mode signifies the write mode, and the format is file handle equal to open file.name comma mode. And if it had been and it is the rostering operator, if there it had been, means like the path location, something like that, and the path locations have this type of characters, the /n, /t or something like that, so that they do not, these are actually escape sequence, so that they don't they are not taken as a escape sequence characters. So for that reason R is taken, and R represents raw string. But here, as it is only name, so we don't require the R here. So now let's go. And for simplification, let's write this file handle as F. Now we don't need to import any packages like pickle or CSV. For CSV files, import CSV is needed. For binary files, there is .dat file, and there import pickle. That model is needed. Pickle.dump and pickle.load, as I think I discussed in a solution also. And let's focus on the .txt files. Okay, now to display the content, we have to content while true in conditions input type something content dot obtain. Now that went to the list. The main important is file.write. This is the command file.write. Now and content is the list and last slash. Here if you use comma slash and then it will be error, because this will be regarded as single tuple, but it is not. It has special significance, but it is not accepted like that. So you need to concatenate, and this I have done to ensure a new line is given after every input, and the input comes from array equals input type something. This one. This is the important thing. Here, you got right. Now it is written. And this input be equal to input type now. Yes. Strip.lua. And both we need to show. Yes. And only it will go. Wait, let's try simplify in the simple way. If input type not equal to yes, not you have entered lesson for the new line, and because that also goes to the new line. Okay. For let's just type something. Lesson. Welcome. Okay. Great. Very good. It's a view. Intention everyone so the dot straight whatever. This was done. Now let's take the file here. So basics.txt. You can see the file I have right here. This basics.txt. Now I am opening up the file. See, welcome basics. Welcome to Basics YouTube channel. That gives me prepare. Yes. Now let's try to do that particular. Okay, say I had well true. Now this won't be needed. Within this itself we are giving a while. See, now let me explain. If equal to open, we had opened the file in the write mode W, and content equal to we had given while true, means within this main while loop, this is the main while. It is asking for input something content dot append, means in the list it will get appended. This value will get appended in here. Okay. This value, this means that this value will be appended there. Yes, this append and f dot write. This is very important because it writes, and simply you can keep it. When we write, we need a pen. This is the command needed to write. F dot write while true answer equal to input yes or no dot strip dot lower. If answer in, means if the answer is yes or no, then it will break, and else if answer is not in yes or no, it will go on. But as if answer not equal to yes, then actually which we had given, you have entered for I in content. Now let's, as we had written already, then we can do it like append A mode. Append so that the data gets written after that. Line to insert a new line with this place. Oh, sorry, it is not allowed. It's not allowed. And as we had appended, the value will be displayed. I am taking that. Yes, so the file name you can see it here. code. Hope it is clear. Let's review the code.